In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up Passkeys and use it in your WhatsApp Messenger in order to provide convenience and also security in your account. So head into this application, and as you can see here, there are different menus to explore from. Now here's it. As you can see, there are 3 dots in the right corner of the screen. Simply click on this and click on the settings. And after that, scroll up and click on the account. Click the Passkeys and click the Create Passkey button. WhatsApp will generate a passkey for you, so remember to copy it since we will be using it for future login into new devices. And as you can see here, I've provided a snapshot just to remind you that you should remember your passkey. So that's it. Your passkey has been set up and ready to use for your WhatsApp Messenger. Thank you for listening.